Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Gurmeet and this is my YouTube channel. Welcome to the Sparkly Spirit. I am a working mother, wife. Did I say working? Yes, I do work full-time in a financial company. I work as a technical project manager, scrum master, what have you. But I do have passion for makeup. I am not a makeup artist. I am not a certified makeup professional. I just love to put basic minimum makeup so my face looks put together as I head out the door. Just get right into the concealing. And all I'm going to do with this is just very lightly coat under my eye because I have really deep dark circles under my eyes. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to look on the side because that's where my mirror is. Thanks. As you can see, it's almost like I'm taking an eraser and erasing the under eye dark circle. Again, this is one shade darker. This is an NC45, but what really matches my skin from a MAC perspective is an NC42. So I'm just going to do one eye and show you guys how that makes a difference. I'm going to do that. Take my moistened sponge and just tap, tap, tap so that there are no harsh lines. And I'm sure you can tell a difference between this eye and this eye. And all I've done is just this one thing. Now I'm going to do it on the other side too. I have gone through so many under eye concealer products, and this is the only one that is working for me, and it's the most minimum number of steps that I have to take. What I did was I did test this out over the weekend. Take it up here a little bit because that's where I have a lot of dark areas. Now I'm going to go with my MAC Fix Studio powder. That's the only foundation I use on a daily basis. And I have this flat top brush. This brush is something that I purchased more than 10 years ago. It's from a local shop called Stella Bella. The lady, Stella, introduced her makeup line by getting inspired from her mom, who was suffering from breast cancer. And she was going through chemotherapy, and all the makeup just made her skin break out, rashes, and it was not a good thing. The brush that I bought from her, and I think this is the best brush that I have ever used. The only brush that I think works really well. So I'm gonna do half side of my face and let you guys see what a difference it can make. Yes, because I hit pan that deep, I have to go really hard on this. So because I have the concealer, I'm just gonna pat, 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 and that'll set my under eye concealer. And then the rest of my face, I'm just gonna takes all that shine away. Did I tell you guys I have really oily skin? Yes. And that's why I live in Phoenix, because my hair is controlled, frizz free. This side of my face has nothing else but the concealer on. But you see the difference, how the shine has kind of gone away? That's really what I'm looking for. So in the morning, I barely have 10 minutes to get my face put together. The concealer is a newest step in the routine that I've added, and I think it makes a subtle difference. I really am not looking for completely erasing my under eye circles. A little bit is fine. It's natural. It's a working mother's best friend. The next step that I think is really important is to fix your eyebrows. Now I do feel like I am blessed with good eyebrows, but when I put the powder on it, it kind of buffs into the eyebrows and makes them lighter. Colorstay, Revlon Colorstay Brow Pencil. It's a crayon. And if you see, this is not really jet black in color. It's a little darker grayish in color, and I think that works just fine for my eyebrows. So I am going to not even like do double lines, but just that much. You see the difference that it makes? It just makes the whole look put together. I'm gonna do the other side. And just that much. I do not do a lot on the front of the eyebrows because I think then that becomes a little unnatural. If there are times when the eyebrow crayon technique may not work, I do have this Ofra brow pencil, which again is not black in color. It's like a darker brownish in color. And sometimes I just like to make my eyebrows look like they are sisters, and I think this one is a little thicker compared to this one, so I just do that fixing a little bit. And that's pretty much it. Sometimes I don't even need a spoolie. Moving to the next step, my kajal. Kajal is nothing but an eyeliner, and just go right into this. Yes, it's that pointy because I've been using it a lot. Now this is the Lakme brand. The only reason I use this is because it has staying power. It smudges just enough that it looks like I have smoked it out. And so I can skip the step of smoking out my waterline. You see how I'm cutting steps? Yeah. All right, so I'm just gonna pull slightly and just try. And this gives enough of a smudge that I don't really have to smoke out the under eye. On an ideal day, I would also fix my upper eye line and make my eyes really pop out. But sometimes you just don't have enough time in the day. And then it's lipstick time. I love lipstick. I really do. Anybody who knows me knows that I love lipstick. Reds for my shirt? Sure, why not? I try to avoid doing two steps, but this Revlon shade is just so beautiful and matches well with my shirt. So I'm gonna do this liquid lipstick, but to protect the liquid lipstick and keep it within the lip line, I have to put the lip liner on. I really don't want to do two steps, but I really cannot avoid this. And this is nothing but a NYX lip liner in the shade Hot Red Rouge Flamboyant. That's who I am. If you have not tried this Revlon lipstick, you are missing out. These not only work great, they have a great lasting power, especially if you top it off with the liquid, with the lip liner. These taste so good. Now, I'm not telling you to eat your lipstick, but when you put it on, it just, raspberries. Now to apply a liquid lipstick, most of you know how to do this, but I do have certain friends for whom this might be a very intimidating step. So I'm going to go slow on this one. So I have enough on my brush, and I start with the top of my lips. Can't really talk a little lipstick on. That's red, really red. So if you really look closely, I'm gonna move my, you see how there's uneven lines and it's not quite lining my lips? That's what we're gonna fix with the lip liner. Not only that, a liquid lipstick is going to get into your finer lines, but I'm gonna control that with the lip liner, okay? And I'm just gonna go on top of the lipstick, but still line my lips. You see the little lines I'm talking about? You get them after a certain number of age that you've crossed. But thank you, lip liner. I can keep my lipstick in the confines of my lips. Does it go on perfectly every single time? No, it does not. That's why. Doing this step really mattifies that liquid lipstick a lot for me. And now I feel like it's just like a lip stain. So this is it. This is what my look is put together, I feel, and good enough for a day-to-day office work. Take off my handy dandy hair holders and be ready for my day. Thank you so much for watching. Please do subscribe to my channel and help me figure out what are your most difficult things to do as you try to walk out the door every single day. And let's sparkle out there.